Ukraine has expanded its drone campaign to the Black Sea, hitting 20 Russian vessels, including oil tankers. This escalation targets critical energy logistics and disrupts naval dominance in the region. We break down the scale of these strikes and what this strategic shift means for the conflict. The conflict in the Black Sea has shifted into a high-stakes game of asymmetric warfare. For months, forces without a traditional navy have utilized unmanned surface vessels to challenge naval dominance. These remote-controlled drones are designed to strike targets at high speed, targeting logistics and warships. This campaign aims to neutralize strategic ports and force opposing fleets to retreat from coastal waters. As the technology evolves, the scope of these attacks has expanded from military assets to critical energy infrastructure. Ukraine is escalating its naval warfare strategy. According to reports from Madyar, the drone campaign has now expanded across the Black Sea. The results are significant. 20 vessels have been targeted and hit. This includes not just military ships, but critical logistics targets like oil tankers. By targeting these tankers, the campaign aims to disrupt energy supplies and maritime logistics. This surge in drone activity marks a shift in the conflict, moving from defensive postures to aggressive, long-range strikes. The precision of these attacks indicates an evolving capability in autonomous naval weaponry. The strategic goal is to deny the opposition control of the waters and cripple economic infrastructure. This expansion signals a strategic shift. By targeting oil tankers and naval vessels, Ukraine is attacking Russia's economic lifeline. This puts immense pressure on maritime logistics and raises the cost of shipping for the Kremlin. Ukraine gains strategic leverage, while Russia loses critical tonnage and security in its own backyard. Watch for Russia to scramble more air defenses to the coast or attempt retaliatory strikes on port infrastructure. The Black Sea is no longer a safe zone for the Russian fleet. Ukraine is scaling up its drone operations to systematically dismantle Russian naval power in the Black Sea. Do you believe these strikes will shift the maritime balance of power or lead to a wider escalation? Let us know below. Subscribe for the latest breaking news.